I'm replacing an old video doorbell with a new Wi-Fi video doorbell sent to me by ReoLink. In this video, I'll be covering the basic installation process. I've been using ReoLink home security cameras for a few years, so switching our old video doorbell with this one to be on the same system was a no-brainer for me. My favorite part about this doorbell is you don't need an annual subscription, and the plug-in Chime is included in the kit. ReoLink also offers two different doorbell models, so I'll just be covering the Wi-Fi version in this video. To get started, all the mounting hardware and the directions are in the box. I recommend downloading the app before you get started using the QR code and the directions. Once it's downloaded, you can turn off the power to the old doorbell and disconnect it. The doorbell wires may only be 12 to 24 volts, but you should still contact an electrician if you're not familiar with electrical. A wedge is included in the package if you need to angle the view, but I won't be needing it for my home. Using the mounting template, a pencil, and a level, I marked the holes and drilled in the first screw. Depending on your siding, you may need to pre-drill the holes first and use the included wall anchors. Next, I attached the red and white wires. Since it's AC, it didn't matter which wire goes on which screw. They also included an extension jumper if you need just a little extra wire length. I should note that even though there's a slot for an Ethernet cable, it'll only work for the Ethernet doorbell model since they use the same body for both models. But if you do have the Ethernet model, you'd plug it in here and then into your NVR system.
Welcome to ReoLink. Please install ReoLink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
Once the doorbell is powered on and you like the position, just hook it on the top of the wall bracket, then push it in on the bottom. The app setup on your phone is quick and easy. You'll open the ReoLink app, then tap the plus sign on the top. Next, you'll scan the QR code on the back of the camera, choose how your camera is connected, enter your home internet information, and a few other quick steps. Next is the doorbell chime setup. You'll plug the chime into an outlet, push the doorbell button, and answer a couple quick questions to configure the device. Lastly, double check that the chime works with the doorbell button, then you can change the volume and the sound settings. Please note that your old mechanical doorbell will likely not operate with any video doorbell. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more home DIY tips. Anyways, thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.